We'll guide you through how to fix the add friend option missing or not showing on Facebook. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be super annoying. Now it's important to know that the person whose account it is, which the problem's happening on, is the one who can go and fix it. So if you're trying to go and add somebody and the add friend button is missing, it's not actually to do with you, it's to do with the other person's account. So what you need to do is, if you're trying to add somebody, go and tell them to watch this video. For example, it may look something like this. This is what's showing on this account, so let's go and fix it. So this is the account that it's happening on. And so what we need to do is go and tap on menu in the bottom right. Scroll down and tap on settings and privacy, and then tap settings. And go and scroll down like so. How people can find and contact you, and go and tap there. And at the top, who can send you friend requests, so click there. This is the setting which changes if the add friend button is showing or not showing, as at the moment it's set to friends of friends. This means there needs to be a mutual friend in order for the add friend button to be there. So instead it can be set to everyone, make sure that setting is saved, and that's it. Now the add friend button is going to be shown to everyone. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. For more useful guides, check out the channel.